So we've just done a fit out on this car here. Removal. We've got a 13 horsepower IGX motor, it's belt driven to an interpump, running a hot water as well, so it's 3650 psi at 15 litres a minute. Diesel tank's mounted up against the headboard. There's a 200 litre water tank on the other side, which is fed by the 3/4 Mustang Garden feed reel. We've got some 3/8Y braided hose here. There's about 40 metres of hose on here. We had a bit of a problem with this machine with the actual height of the machine, so the whole machine had to be cut down, and the canopy for the exhausting of the burner, and for filling the fuel we put a hatch in here. So there's a lock in here, and you can just throw the hatch up, and so when you're using the machine, everything's just going to exhaust out that way. The engine exhaust will come out this way. One of the beauties of this machine is that if you just need to leave this here and use your ute for something else, you can just start it up and drive away.